Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share admin access to your Google Tag Manager account, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to tagmanager.google.com and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard with a list of your containers. Click on the container name from the list. Now, click on the Admin option in the top navigation bar. Here you'll see two sections, Account and Container. You can share access at both levels. If you want someone to have full access to everything, share access from the Account section. If you want to give access to a specific container only, use the Container section. Under User Management, click on plus in the top right corner and select Add Users. Now enter the email address of the person you want to share access with. Make sure they are using a Google account or a Gmail address. Next, select the level of access you want to give. Read, the user can only view tags and settings. Edit, they can make changes but cannot publish. Approve, can make and approve changes. Publish, full control to make and publish changes. For agency or developer access, choose Admin Permission so they can manage everything easily. After selecting permissions, click on Invite. The user will receive an email invitation, and once they accept, they'll have access to your Tag Manager account. And that's it. You've successfully shared admin access to your Google Tag Manager account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell bing so you don't miss my next tutorial.